What about, I mean, in terms of your not shortcuts, but any secrets? I think that's what most entrepreneurs will want to know is what's your key to success? Is there any tips that you can give us
I think
learning that, journey that you've had?
so. I think a secret, you want to call it a secret, following on from, saying about learning from other people and from mentors, is really, the power of partnerships. And again, people probably get put off by the word partnership because it would typically imply, a 50-50 ownership of a business venture together. But I think I use the word partnership in the loosest sense of the word, of having any kind of interaction with someone. Maybe it means equity in a business. Maybe it means nothing more complicated than working with someone. But I think it's very important to realise that you'll go a lot further, a lot faster with people and with assistance than, I say assistance, let's say with co-motivated people than you will do on your own. And I spent all my younger years very, whether it's egotistically or greedily or selfishly, wanting to own everything and control everything, thinking, I'm the big dog, I'm the owner, I want all this stuff. And I look at where I'm at now, and I, have 10 times, 50 times what I had back then, but, not really one business where I own 100% of it. Some of them might be 5% of this or 10% of that, or others might just be me introducing to someone. But, knowing that other people are the key to getting what you want and getting it quicker.
So loads of collaborations,
partnerships, joint ventures, mentors, teachers, whatever you want to call it.
Okay.
But just the fact that other people, everything, two things, everything you want somebody else has already got. How do you need to learn how to go and ask them for it, and anything you want to do, somebody else probably already knows how to do it. Because unless in the rarest of situations, like an Elon Musk, for example, who's inventing something completely new and uncharted in any sense of the word, there is nothing really that any of us are going to want to know that someone else doesn't already know, to build that already hasn't been built before. You're in Dubai doing real estate. You're not reinventing the wheel. You want to go and make money in real estate in a town, city where there's plenty of people who've made lots of money from real estate. What do you want to sit there asking yourself, how do I go and do this for? Go and find the people who've already done it. What is the model? And the model probably won't be very when you know the answer. It won't be a very complicated model, because models normally aren't. It's just that you don't know it.
Yeah.
Or
makes sense.
probably more likely you do know it. You just think it sounds like too much like hard work,
It is a lot.
and don't want to do it. It's like, I guess, the old fitness adage. How do I get a body like yours? Eat well, exercise, and go to sleep, drink plenty of water.